It echoes off being pillowy. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to a echoey tunnel so everyone can hear me talking. I am at a car show once again. Modified cars and the like. It is actually evening even though it's daytime because it's beginning to be summer. So we have filled up this car park that you may recognise from the snow drifting videos that I did. And there's lots of variety of cars, obviously the usual kind of Focuses and Audis and Minis and Civics. But we'll take a look at cars like that Plymouth over there as well. At the moment, I'm by the roundabout because this is where all the cars will come in from and I want to capture some cars arriving, as opposed to cars leaving. For example, this loud Triumph GT6. And this S14. Land Rover Discovery doing some laps. Is a massive dog. Oh, it's the two Poppy Golfs from last night.
Oh, not again.
Making an entrance.
I'm feeling it.
E36, Mark III, Focus RS, an engine bay with a Lego brick on it, or Duplo I'd say, but it's got Lego. Well, let's just call it Lego. Another engine bay. Let's have a look. It's got blue skulls in it. There you go. MX-5 with some arches and a splitter. It is in a bath, yes.
No, not in a bath.
What? R33 wide body kit. A couple of rather clean cars. That Civic there next to that Fiesta, and a Mark I Focus RS. So there's no space in this car park for all the cars, so we're going to go over there to Asda. I might walk there because I can't be bothered to drive. So everyone's scrambling like the Fast and Furious franchise. Even Brian from Fast and Furious is having a scramble. Wide body Evo, is that what is it? Yes, it's bring nails back. Right, I might go to the road to catch everyone leaving because everyone will leave and then arrive again. So it's going to be a really weird video, this. Oh, it's a Maestro. So it's a weird one. They go under there and then around there and then make noises. Diesel. This is actually quite a cool video, this. Joining the party. So there's a few cars left, but I might just drive over there as well. So, welcome to the new meet in a new location down the road. Oh no! Oh no! I'm feeling upset now, I haven't got mine. Oh no! Oh, working horn, that's something, a luxury I don't have. This seems to be the kind of good section with a mint green E92. Oh, Brian!
Yeah, Adam. That car's mint.
Oh. So in this car park, you've got all these lovely spaces, but you have to stance park and not in the space. Or alternatively, just park wherever the hell you want. There's a van doing a burnout, but it's out of focus, so you can't actually see. There you go. a vanded little handbrake thing. There's one for you. And I think it's the time of the evening to play a game of what's inside your car. On this week's episode, a panda playing a ukulele. That dog sounds like a seagull. It really does sound like a seagull.
Then he was like, I wonder if she's going to piss my shoe. I was like, baby.
I can see some smoke bellowing in the distance, but no culprit. Turbo. Yes! I can hear a burnout. Ah, there's some smoke. Looks like a Toyota Vince's thingy. I don't know. Let's go to the exit to capture these cars, do some stuff. So apparently they were filming some of this show for TV, but I haven't seen any TV cameras, but don't know what's happening now, so let's just go to the exit and capture cars leaving. So here is the departure lounge, smelling of burnt rubber. Ah, this is one wheel peel. Lovely. It echoes off being peeled. It echoes off those buildings as well, and those buildings, and that car. Are we gonna get a handbrake turn? Kind of. That's not how you take roundabouts. The roundabout you go round, kind of like that. I can see flames. I'm gonna go to the flames. I can see big flames. Flames! a bit of a mixture of things tonight. The car park's still got a few more cars, but I'm going to go home now because most of the ones that I like have left. There's still a few SCs that shoot flames, but I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a weekly list of all these kind of events like the one tonight. But for now, thanks for watching.